when I showed you the example stake validator, I mentioned that it's not very realistic. And one reason I think it isn't is that anybody can withdraw rewards. There's no restriction. The only condition is that half of the rewards go to the specified address. But apart from that, any arbitrary person could withdraw rewards. So I don't think that's very useful. So for homework, I want you to improve this and make it a bit more realistic. So I want you to extend the stake validator by introducing a second argument, which is the first one here, so a pub key hash. And the idea, as is explained in the comment, is that this pub key hash needs to sign always when an operation, a transaction is done involving the stake key. So for registration, delegation, and also for withdrawal. And then the address, as before, in case of withdrawal, that address must receive half of the rewards. I think this makes it much more realistic. So in our example, for example, this could be the pub key hash belonging to the payment key of user one. So only user one would be allowed to do the withdrawals or change delegation or set up delegation in the first place. This time there is no test suite for that, so you will have to test it manually on the private testnet.